NFTs open the door for digital creators, but launching a collection? That's still way too complex. You need smart contracts, IPFS hosting, metadata structuring, and a developer to bring it all together. Bitnun OS changes that. Whether you're an artist, musician, or entrepreneur, you can launch your own NFT collection in minutes without writing a single line of code.
Here's how.
Start by logging into your Bitnun dashboard and heading to the NFT section. Click Create New Collection. You'll give it a name, symbol, and description, then set your total supply. Next, define properties like traits, rarity levels, and custom metadata. You can even pre-configure royalties and resale rules. The platform guides you step by step, no JSON or code required. Now it's time to upload your art. Bitnun supports batch image uploads, whether you're working with 10 pieces or 10,000. Simply drag and drop your artwork, map it to your trait layers, and Bitnun will auto-generate your entire collection. Once everything looks good, hit mint. Your NFTs are now live, secure, verifiable, and ready to trade. After minting, Bitnun OS helps you list your collection across top marketplaces like OpenSea, Magic Eden, or LooksRare. You can set floor prices, auction settings, and whitelist access, all from your dashboard. No API integrations, no smart contract deployments, just plug, price, and publish. Bitnun also includes built-in promotion tools. Create a branded landing page for your collection, generate QR codes for events, and push your launch to social media directly. You can even run token-gated giveaways or pre-sale invites to drive early demand, all without leaving the platform. Finally, keep tabs on how your collection is doing. Bitnun's analytics dashboard tracks floor prices, sales volume, holder count, and even engagement across platforms. Get real-time insights to make smarter decisions for future drops. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned creator, this is the easiest way to build your NFT brand. NFTs don't have to be hard. Bitnun OS lets you create, launch, and grow your NFT collection with zero code and full control. Ready to bring your idea to life? Visit bitnun.org and start minting today.